Hope everyone's doing well. My name is EQ and welcome to Stonkeaholics. Now in this episode we're going to be going over an older project. Unibright has been around since the last bull cycle, but for whatever reason it's been making moves recently. So we're going to look into everything about it, the fundamentals, the website, the tokenomics, and go all the way to our price prediction, short and long term, where we think this can go if it reaches X market cap. Now before we get into it, if you could take a second to like the video, subscribe to our channel, join our free Discord group, that'd be super appreciated, and let's get going. So Unibright has been trending recently. It's in the similar ballpark as Algorand. So we're sitting at 159 right now at $1.12 per token, sitting at a market cap of 167.8, almost 167.9 million. We have a max supply of 150 million tokens. We have a circulating supply of 150 million tokens and a total supply of 150 million tokens. So they've just hit the max supply and they're not going to be mining or doing anything more. So this is a deflationary token and what they have is all that's left now. That's going to be one of the main reasons why its value is so high. Now what we see with Unibright, if they do it the right way, is something similar to what we'll see with Bitcoin when they actually go to their total supply and there's no more that people can mine. Now Unibright is going to be an enterprise blockchain solution. They're from Germany. It's programmable DeFi and it's a universal business token. People love to use enterprise blockchains because they're the most frequent use case for real world solutions. They're the easiest to integrate into real world solutions. So enterprise blockchains are picking up a lot of popularity now, just because people are trying to find utility. We go in waves. Sometimes people are looking for shit coins. Some people are looking for utility coins. Right now we're going back into utility and actual real world utility. Now they are using Base Ledger, which is their blockchain name. So the utility token for Unibright is Unibright token, UBT. So their smart contract creation, which is another big plus for Unibright. They're required to register every smart contract deployed on the platform. It's a mandatory process that will help standardize the highest quality smart contracts. Helps with smart contract connection, tokenization, because they're required for services and components offered Frequity, the tokenization solution. And that includes workshops and products like their liquidity solutions. And they have workshops, so they can be used to access consulting workshops for customers to develop powerful blockchain use cases. You see some of their partners and clients include Microsoft, SAP, Lufthansa. So these are all going to be the German-based companies. So it's going to be Microsoft Germany, not the United States Microsoft. But a lot of these partners are pretty big, including Coinbase Custody, the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. Now their selling point is blockchain integration, integrating business processes into the blockchain without a single line of code. The Unibright framework, which is their low-code business modeling and integration platform, is part of Provide. And the Unibright framework was created to help enterprises with using blockchain technology in their processes. They just need to choose the right business case template, design the process visually, and all blockchain and integration code is generated, deployed, and monitored automatically. Going into some of the fundamentals from earlier this year, price started to soar after the enterprise level partnerships that they made with Base Ledger, releasing their white paper. They also unveiled DeFi staking. So sold as one of the next technological breakthroughs that will revolutionize the current digital landscape, and usher in a new era of decentralization. Businesses and corporations have already shown immense interest in how blockchain technology can be integrated into their operations to help save money and increase efficiency. Unibright was originally developed with the goal of bringing blockchain technology and contracts to the business sector by offering enterprise-level solutions that take into consideration the privacy needs of companies that cannot have all of their operations conducted on a public ledger. And that's something we've been talking about for a little while. That's kind of where Pyrocoin comes in and other projects like that. These businesses are going to want some sort of privacy, and they're not going to want every single transaction sitting on a public blockchain where everyone can see what they're doing. Sure, the blockchain is safe, but it's still a risk for them to have all that money flowing around and people knowing exactly where every dollar is going. So February 25 of this year was when Unibright released a white paper for Base Ledger, which is described as offering a public council-governed blockchain, and it utilizes proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that enables low and fixed cost, high and guaranteed performance, data privacy compliance, multi-chain coordination, and off-chain integration by design. So Unibright was also integrated into the Hedera token service, or Hash. HBAR is a very popular product on TikTok, across our Discord group. I hear about HBAR all the time. I'm kind of jealous because I can't run any HBAR on my futures leverage for our $10 to $10,000 challenge. Unibright can now offer a fully integrated market infrastructure to all token issuers and enterprises, and it's going to use the Hedera token service to scale asset tokenization and decentralized finance activities for all enterprise adoption. So HBAR would provide the ability to issue tokens on a globally distributed network without compromising performance, security, or stability. This allows users to leverage the existing network primitives, along with configurable compliance and low predictable fees. In addition, developers can rely on a robust set of APIs for the configuration, minting, and management of tokens without needing to set up and deploy smart. So there's a lot of good stuff going on here with HBAR and Unibright. And Enterprise Ethereum matures, looks to open source community for standards. So as more companies begin to leverage public networks for business, it's important to keep in mind that the Enterprise Ethereum space is relatively new. Therefore, a number of developments are required before organizations can fully take advantage of the Ethereum blockchain. But the fact that they're even pointing at this is a very, very good sign, especially for people that are within this Enterprise Ethereum industry. That's why Algorand is getting a lot of attention, and this is going to be an Algorand competitor. And the fun part going into the chart lines on this. So you can see we're going to have our swing low down here, our swing high up top. We're looking at this from a long-term scale. We had a nice little move up to $2.30 before price started to come back down. Now we've been riding this downtrend all the way down, similar to what Bitcoin's been doing. But we do have this floor, which is creating a descending triangle. Now, as this continues to fulfill down to the bottom, if price doesn't eventually break this downtrend, we're going to see this breakdown to the downside, which could fit the rest of the market and kind of what the rest of the market is doing. Make sure to do your own research when trying to find the perfect buy-in situation. Me personally, I wouldn't recommend buying anything right now since we're in a massive market consolidation. If you want to learn about that, you can come join our Discord group. But right now we're waiting for some sort of confirmation of Unibright to get out of this downtrend to signal that we're going to continue to go down, or if we're going to start to move back up and test this all-time high. We're looking at a little bit over a 2 times move to test all-time high. And when we're looking at the market cap of Unibright, we can do a 10 times move and still be at 1.6 billion, so you're not even in the top 50. So it has plenty of space to grow. It's deflationary. It's already hit its total and max supply. There's no more coins being created. It's a finite product. So scarcity is going to become scarcity essentially is going to become we're going to be running into scarcity with that soon, and that can trigger a skyrocket in price. So if you're looking for something anywhere between the 10 time to 100 time mark for potential growth, Unibright is definitely on that list of projects. If you found anything in this video useful, please throw a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. If you didn't join our Discord group, go do that now. Throw a link in the comment section, and hope everyone has an amazing night.